Hello gorgeous girl, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna work your balance, your booty, and your legs. Yes, all good things. So if you're new here, hello, I'm Tracy. I put out brand new fitness, wellness, and lifestyle videos every single week. So if you haven't already, please make sure to click on the subscribe button down below, become a member of our happy YouTube family. And for everyone, click on the bell icon so you always know whenever I have a brand new video that goes live. So today is a sneak peek workout. It's a little snippet of one of my workouts that you'll find inside of Total Body Transformation. This is from our workout Triple Play. And for this little section of the workout, you're gonna wanna use one of these. What is that? Well, let me tell you. This is a furniture slider. So lots of people are gonna tell you need to invest, into their special gliders or whatever. And you know what? Trust me, I have done that before and I have scratched up my hardwood floors. Not a good thing. So this is a furniture slider. It's not gonna scratch up your floors. I will leave them linked down below. These are awesome and it's gonna leave such a great challenge to your workout. So definitely get yourself some of these. These are just an extra large pair. You're not gonna scratch up for your floors and you're gonna really kick your own booty. So let's get started with your Triple Play workout. Let's grab your single slider here, put it down onto the ground, put your entire foot on it. We're gonna use this slider and move into this direction. You're gonna slide out into a side lunge, pull it in. You'll feel that inner thigh start working, okay? Slide it out, pulling it in. Slide it out, pull it in. That's it. Slide it and pull it. Good. Really slide out and pull in. When you're out into this side lunge, you make sure that that weight is more into your heel here and squeeze. This is one of those ones where it's like, it's the gift that keeps giving, girl. You're gonna feel it tomorrow, okay? I always find that when I really intensely work my inner thighs, it's like, whoa, my inner thighs and my triceps after all these years are the two where I usually am like, yep, did those yesterday. Slide it, squeeze it one more time. Okay, good, let's do that on the other side. So just be really mindful of your form here. Your entire foot is on that slider. You slide it out, pull it in. We're working with control. We're not flailing around like crazy girls, right? We're doing the work here with control. That's it, slide it, squeeze, pull it in. Slide it out, squeeze it in, that's it. Very good, squeeze, keep on going. And in, we got it. Slide out, pull in, good, that's it. Yes, slide out. Bring it in, a few more like this. Good, that's it, keep those abdominals pulled in. Yes, good. Pull it in. How are those inner thighs? I told you. And in, a couple more like this. We can do it together. And in, all right, excellent. So we're gonna externally rotate here. Again, it's all about control. Slide into a plie, squeeze those inner thighs. You're gonna feel that wrap around your thighs and your booty as you come in. Slide it out, pull it in, good. Slide it, pull it, very good. Imagine you're a dancer, okay? You are getting longer and leaner with absolutely every single repetition here. I should be like 6'2" by the end of this workout. Just kidding, it would never happen. Slide out, pull it in, very good. Good. Really feel how much those inner thighs are working here. Slide, drawing it in. We've got it. Out, in. Good. Top to bottom in just 15 minutes. That's the name of this game. Good. Last one here. Woo! All right, let's do the other side. So again, in your first position, your feet are in a little V here. Again, it's all about control. Slide it, squeeze it, slide. Good, go gently into this, okay? You want to control it. You are the boss, all right? Don't go farther than what your body will allow, okay, for now. And every day and every workout, know that you're getting stronger and stronger. That's it, whew. Feel that love, feel those inner thighs. Good, awesome. Keep going here, yes. Holy frijoles. My inner thighs are like, yeah, we got it, squeeze. Also those lateral rotators, that's what really shapes your booty so you don't get a square butt, all right? We don't want that. Slide, good, last one. Okay, good. So we're gonna change our range of motion now. I want you to put it in your first foot here. Your feet are parallel, okay? You're gonna come into a low sort of squat position, slide out, pull it in, slide. So I'm just on the ball of my foot here, okay? I'm keeping the weight into that front heel, all right? 30 seconds only. Good, stay low, good. That's it, we got it. Abs are up and in, good. Awesome, let's switch. Other ball of the foot is right onto that slider. You are low, stay in the heel here. Slide it, bring it in, slide it, good. Slide, that's it, slide. You got it. Good, keep on going, keep on moving, keep on grooving. Good, stay low, you're gonna feel those legs burning. That's it, awesome, all that work that you just did. And excellent. Yeah, girl, that was amazing. And trust me, you are gonna feel that mañana. So I really, really hope that you love this little sneak peek. Like I said, the full workout of triple play, you'll find it inside of Total Body Transformation, which is linked down below. But I've got something really special for you here. I created a home gym essentials guide. You know, right now all the gyms are closed and we really don't know when they will be opening back up. And even when they do, I don't know about you, but I don't really want to be sweating and breathing next to like 50 other people in a class. So it's really important that you set yourself up with some really easy and effective pieces of equipment that you can use at home to create a workout that is effective, enjoyable, and challenging. So one of those pieces is this thing right here. So definitely click on the link down below so you can grab my home gym essentials guide. So you are awesome, you are amazing. I love sweating and smiling with you, and I will see you next time.